S10plus yóò display rárá. Ó dà ní carbon check ẹ̀ pé ní display problem. Ìgbà tá a check ẹ̀ a rí pé kò ń ṣe display problem ló ní pé screen yẹn gangan ni ò dá mọ́. Screen yẹn ti damage. So a fẹ́ ṣe screen, a fẹ́ fi original screen sí. Original Amoled 60Hz la fẹ́ fi sí. So lọ́wọ́ kan ni mo proceed pẹ̀lú repair. A ní láti yọ back glass yẹn carefully. Toro náà la ṣe máa dá padà sí. So náà mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú fóònù yẹn sharp mo tú fóònù yẹn lọ́wọ́ kan, mo tú fóònù yẹn tán. Fídíò yìí kàn jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí guide ni. Entertainment purpose ló wà fún, kàn ṣe pé à ń kọ́ anybody pé bó ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí líle. Tẹ́ bá try fún ara yín lé, ẹ̀yin lè máa bí a consequence to. And for engineers, so they know how to go about it. Like bá ṣe ń tú fóònù sí, wọ́n bá ṣe lè tú. So they can only use this as a guide, or they can learn one or two. So lọ́wọ́ kan la proceed sórí àti tú fóònù yẹn bọ́lẹ̀. Screen tá a fẹ́ fi sí no frame ni. So we are going to remove this particular screen. One thing tó wà important ni nípa ká máa remove screen ni pé I don't know who you are, but I have this for you as an advice. Tí screen phone bá bàjẹ́, please try as much as possible to remove it without causing any additional damage. Reason ni wípé tí screen gidi náà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ yọ, tó bá ti mọ eléyìí yọ, screen tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ náà ní fún any problem. Although I use hot method to remove it. Method tí mo fi yọ nìyẹn. Screen yẹn dẹ̀ ṣe wà okay, you can see. Kò sí additional damage. Ìta yọ nínú S20 yẹn, a lo eléyìí hot method, cold method la lò fún. So now ní screen tá fẹ́ replace sí leléyìí. Ní screen tá fẹ́ replace leléyìí. Ó ti ready báyìí. So now I proceed pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ yẹn. Mo ti fi new screen sí tán, mo ti couple up. One step after the other. Both devices ṣiṣẹ́ perfectly. Kí tó di pé a align and glue. So tẹ́ bá follow the right process, we are going to get it right. Honestly, just follow the right process. Be focused. Don't be distracted during repair. Mind your business. You must be psychologically ready for you to be able to repair a phone successfully. You must be psychologically ready. I think there's nothing else. That's all. Then you do the magic. That's the magic. If you have any question that you want to ask, you can follow this page for more of this kind of video. Ask the question, I'll answer you.